Ever seen those fun little stickers people add right inside their Instagram chats? You can do that too. It's a cool way to react or make your messages more expressive. Here's how to use it. Open the Instagram app on your phone, then tap the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your direct messages. Now open any chat where you want to try this. Press and hold on a message inside the conversation. A small pop-up menu will appear, and you'll see an option that says Add Sticker. If you don't see it yet, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. Tap on Add Sticker, and a sticker panel will appear with tons of fun options, emojis, GIFs, and more. You can scroll through and pick the one you like. Once you find the sticker you want, just tap it. It'll instantly appear on the message and send automatically. When your friend opens the chat, they'll see the sticker placed exactly where you added it. If you long press on the sticker, more options will appear. You can move it, add another one, hide all stickers, or even unsend it. When you're done customizing, tap OK to close the panel. And that's it. Your chat just got a little more fun and personal. If you enjoyed this quick guide, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy Instagram tips, and I'll see you in the next one.